Hello friends, welcome to Vigilant Online Workshop. My name is Hashim. I am Cybersecurity Analyst at Vigilant. The topic under discussion is Google Doc. Now what is this Google Doc? Google Docs are few keywords which are used to fetch some important information from the internet. Now which type of information this Google Docs retrieve and give us? Google Docs are used to filter the result that we get. Google Docs are used to fetch juicy or important information from the internet. Google Docs are used to view insecure webcam from the internet. Google Docs are also used to find vulnerable web pages from the internet. Now we'll be discussing about first Google Doc. Now, if a user want to find an ebook on hacking, what he will do? He will type the keyword, and as you can see, there are these many results. Now, I'll be using a Google Doc to filter this result. The Google Doc is file type : .pdf. Now you can see this is the result. This is not even 1% of the result what we got before. So this Google Doc performs a drastic filtration. Now what this Google Doc does, it will search the file type with the extension .pdf on the internet. So we are getting these many results, and the most important thing about the result is that these are direct downloadable links. When you click on this result, it will show you the download pop-up, whether you want to download it or not. This was the first Google Doc. Now I want to see insecure webcam using Google Doc. I'll be using a doc that is in url:/view/view.html. As the name suggests, in URL, this Google Doc will search in the URL the word this. See, you can see in the URL this thing is present. view/view.html is present. Now this Google Doc, what it will do? It will find the insecure cam from the internet and it will give to us. For example, what we are viewing is the airport cam of USA. Let us see. See, as you know, there is night in USA, so the video is dark, but this is the video of the international airport of USA. With the help of this Google Doc, you can see various insecure webcam. Now next Google Doc is entitled. Entitled : the word I want. For example, I want hacking. What this Google Doc will do? It will give me the result of all the websites where the word hacking is present in the title. Whichever link you open, this word hacking will be present in the title. Now we can use multiple Google Docs at the same time. Like I'll be showing you one. I'm using in url:/admin space file type should be ASP in URL user list. So it will search in the URL this admin word and user list word. See, admin word and user list word, and the name of the and the type of the file should be ASP. Now let us check what is there. See, this is the complete employee information of US1 industry, along with the phone number, email address and their location. And you can see there are total 98 entries. Now, one of the most important Google Doc is a Google Doc to find vulnerable admin pages. That Google Doc is in URL:admin login. Now you can see it is this Google Doc will search in the URL the word admin login. In the URL the word admin login. Admin login. Now a normal user does not see this kind of page, administrator page, like these messages. A normal user does not see these kind of messages because these admin pages are supposed to be secure and it should not be viewed by all the internet user. It should only be viewed by admin. But with the help of Google Doc, we can even view the admin pages. So this was all about Google Doc. Thank you.